Do you remember the time that you were so excited that the school bell rang and it was time for you to go home? Guess what? The second best bell after the school bell is Adam Coin's bell icon. So press the bell icon after you subscribe. Thank you. Let's get into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Jasmy video update. And today we're looking for the weekend, the last day of the weekend being Sunday. First of all, let's analyze how the weekly looks like for Jasmy at the moment. Well, the weekly shows that you do have a little bit of that green candle right there, but I don't know how this day is going to close. We have 14 more hours to close the weekly candlestick, and right now it's still something that someone can say that, hey, we're not going to drop all of a sudden, but we actually could be on the verge of making an extended sideways movement, some little bit of sideways pumps, cam pumps, and some boring consolidation until we don't finally continue lower. That's still possible, but nonetheless doesn't really matter because as long as you move sideways, who knows, but in the future you tend to still go down to that green box. The question again and again that I still pose, is this the bottom for Jasmy? Well, we cannot bottom fish, nobody knows, because it's still easy to come down, make another sideways movement, break down and continue lower. Still a possible thing if you do that. Otherwise, you never know if that's your bottom. Okay, match the price of Bitcoin the day Jasmy comes down to 176, or maybe that green box that I just highlighted. What's the price of Bitcoin? If Bitcoin at that time is like $7,000 or $8,000 or $6,000, I would reckon that could be potentially be the bottom, because I think that Bitcoin can bottom out near 6 to 8,000.